Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wela School System. To begin, you will need to access the system through your school's dedicated web portal. Look for the Login button, typically located in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your unique username and password, which were provided to you by your school administration. If you encounter any issues, please contact your school's IT support for assistance. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the valuable resources available. Once logged in, you will arrive at your personalized dashboard, which serves as your central hub. Here, you will find three main sections: announcements, upcoming assignments, and a quick view of your recent grades. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Important updates from your teachers and school administration are prominently displayed. You can also quickly navigate to different modules, such as courses or resources, using the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Submitting assignments through the Wela system is straightforward. Navigate to your course, select the specific assignment, and follow the on-screen instructions to upload your work. Ensure your file is in the correct format, such as a PDF or Word document. After submission, you can track its status. To check your grades, simply click on the Grades tab. Here, you will see detailed feedback and scores for all your completed tasks, helping you monitor your academic progress effectively. Effective communication is key to your success. The Wela system provides several ways to connect with your teachers and peers. You can send direct messages through the internal messaging feature or participate in course-specific discussion forums. Should you need technical assistance, the support section offers a comprehensive knowledge base and a 24-hour help desk. Don't hesitate to utilize these resources to ensure a smooth and productive learning experience throughout your academic journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.